Hello everybody who are seeing my video. Myself Samriddhi Tripathi, and in this video I will discuss about a topic that is related from our body. So let's start this video. So without body we cannot work, and work tells about our behavior, what we do, what we cannot do, what we are doing, etc. So what so the first question is that what is the question? Question is a type of thing that tells about our behavior, communication skills, thinking skills, and many other things. It tells about your full that what are you thinking and what are you not. How you are a bad person or you are a good person, and how much of knowledge you have gained, how much you have knowledge. So first, now you know what are the questions. Now the second is what are the types of the questions. Mainly if we see, there are four types of questions. First is IQ, means intelligent questions. Second is EQ, means emotional questions. Third is SQ, means social questions. And fourth, the last is CQ, means curiosity questions. So first is intelligent questions. What are the intelligent questions? Intelligent are the type of the questions that tells about your brain power and tells about your knowledge. Like, you want to become a doctor, then that field, you are working in a nurse field, but you do not know that knowledge, what is how the nurse take medicines, how do that. So if you do not know this, then how can you become a doctor? You should learn that. You can go and take trial classes from hospitals, or you can perform a class. So without not gaining knowledge, we cannot work in any field. Like, you want to become a pilot. Okay, just suppose you want to become a pilot, and you pilot. What the work of pilot is to fly the aeroplanes. They fly the aeroplanes, helicopters, etc. So if you want to be, then you should know that how to fly a plane, which button should use to start plane, which button is used to off plane. This all information should you want to have. Without this you cannot be. So IQ, in simple words, IQ helps to gain the knowledge, and tells that how much knowledge we have gaining. Now the last question, that where we should take benefit of the IQ. We can take, sometimes in papers, you want to become doctor, then medical papers are coming to you too, that if you have that knowledge, then you will tick right, correct, you will take correct answer. But if you do not have that knowledge, then you cannot give a correct answer. So if knowledge is very important in our daily life. Now the second is EQ. What is EQ? In main words, if I will tell you, means EQ is a type of question that tells about your emotionals. It tells that how to handle our emotions, how to share our emotions from other people's. And second, it also tells that how to explain other people's. Like, a person is telling you that my daughter's birthday party, I am going for very forward because she will be angry. But you, suppose just you are a boss and you do that, no, you will not go, you have very important work, means you are not understanding his emotions, what he is doing, what he is talking with you. You cannot understand that properly. So this is called the emotions. So where do emotions are used? Emotions, means EQ, are used from a very behavior. It also attract from your behavior. So like, you are a new client in your office. You get job in a new office. then you keep relation with the boss and other teams or other persons. So to make the relationship perfect, your emotionals should be good. If your emotionals should be good, that means you can handle your relations from long period. So this was the EQ. Now the third is SQ. So what is SQ? SQ means social questions. Social questions are the questions that tells about your social behavior. You know what is surrounding? Surrounding means what are you seeing these things? What are you seeing other things, peoples, trees, dogs, plant, etc. These are all called, what we see is called surrounding. So every person have a behavior, it is a good or bad person. So like that you also have a behavior with your own, and you can change also with your own. You can change your behavior. If your behavior is bad, then it's okay, that is not problem. You can change, or everything is in your hand. You can change yourself also, and you can change your life also. So do not think like that my emotionals are bad, I cannot change me, I cannot do that, I cannot do. So these topics just remove from your brain and tell that I can do everything, I am a good person. If you will think this, then in few days your automatically your behavior will be good. So and the main point to make behavior is good behavior. When any person, if any person is behaving bad with you, then you also will behave bad, because what the friend person do with us, we also do with her. Like if any person is fighting with you, then also you also start fighting with you. So not this method. If any person is telling you bad, then explain them that sorry, I am not doing this, I am not I was fault, I get fault. So improve that fight, do not make more fight. So this was the SQ. Now the last is CQ. So what is CQ? CQ means curiosity questions. Curiosity is the formula from IQ plus EQ and plus SQ. Means it is attract from the behavior also, from your thinking also, and from your emotionals also. But how? When you know in our life to get succeed, we want many goals, we want to achieve many goals. But if you cannot achieve, if the in our life many problems are coming day to day, many small or big problems are coming, like anyone death is happen now, and anyone job is related now. So these all things in our daily life is very unnecessary. So to these problems, how we suffer from these problems? From your CQ. If your CQ is strong, then you will face the problem again and again and then go forward. And if your CQ is low, then you will tell that I cannot do this. So only this video is the main topic is about the CQ, that um, you should not affair, you should be strong and go again to fight uh, fight problems from your life. So this was my today's video. If you like my video, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my video. Thank you.